Many years ago, you made an essential decision and equipped your switchgear with protection devices from the SIPROTEC family. However, as time passes, energy grids become more and more complex. This creates additional challenges for electrical protection. At the same time, the failure probability of devices increases, and spare parts availability decreases. Therefore, make a new good decision now. Choose a retrofit solution with SIPROTEC 5 Compact 7SX800 and enjoy universal protection at the cutting edge. SIPROTEC 5 Compact can be used for all energy systems in the medium voltage range, both in the distribution grid and in the industry, all in just a few steps. The new compact device with its 1/6 housing is directly compatible to earlier devices without laborious mechanical modifications. The pluggable terminal technology is an additional time advantage for you because you can pull the terminals off and wire them in the rack. For a swift rewiring from old to new, Siemens supports you with a detailed wiring matrix. You connect the wired terminals to the device in just a few seconds and fix it in the rack with only 4 screws. By the way, at a width of just 7 centimeters, the SIPROTEC 5 Compact has significantly more binary inputs and outputs than earlier devices, and thus offers the highest signal density in its class. You define the individual range of functions and the parameter settings of the SIPROTEC 5 Compact 7SX800 suitable for your applications with the Dixie 5 engineering software. The SIPROTEC 5 Compact 7SX800 has a graphic display and an additional numeric keypad. In conjunction with the arrow keys, this solution is far superior to pure navigation keys. Operation is even more comfortable with the Web UI, a browser-based application that also provides extensive support when commissioning the device and checking measurement data. For this, connect your laptop either to the USB interface on the front of the SIPROTEC 5 Compact or to the Ethernet port at the back. For secure communication, the comprehensive SIPROTEC 5 cybersecurity package is of course also an integral part of every SIPROTEC 5 Compact 7SX800. Put in a nutshell, a retrofit solution with SIPROTEC 5 Compact offers you a range of completely new perspectives. Migrate from a proven to a future-oriented system in just a few steps. Immediately take advantage of all the benefits of a completely digital and expandable energy automation system. Feel secure for the future thanks to long-term spare parts availability and regular firmware updates. And meet all current cybersecurity requirements along the way. You get all that and more with SIPROTEC 5 Compact. SIPROTEC 5 Compact from Siemens. For the future. For you.